Special delivery from Boyd Cycling. Finally got my wheel in. The hub cracked not long ago. I posted a video actually up on my YouTube channel, so you'll probably have seen that by now. But yeah, they rebuilt it on the same rim, new spokes, and the new 85 hub, which I'm pretty psyched to check out because that hub is like their new addition to their road lineup. And instead of having 4 pawls like my old hub had, this one has 6, which means faster engagement. So let's open up this box and check it out. Alright, opening the box, looks like everything's packed in here nice and well. Let's go ahead and check this out here. Looks like that's the skewer and everything. They actually threw in an extra set of brake pads, which I'm pretty psyched on. This is their Onyx brake pads. So I'm psyched to put those up on the new wheels to use for braking. And looks like this is the wheel. So yeah, that's the new 85 road hub. Pretty psyched on this one. So let's take it out the plastic and check it out. All right, this is the 85 road hub. Check it out. It's a little beefier than my previous hub, which I believe is called the Prime hub from Boyd. And you can see that it has the 85 route that's stamped on their hub there. So apparently 85 is a road that passes through Greenville, South Carolina. And it's also a brewery that's local out there in Greenville, South Carolina too, that they're, I don't know if they go there often or not, but pretty cool. You know, definitely has some story behind it. And the engagement is definitely totally different than my previous hub. This is my cassette here I'm going to throw in here, by the way. It's 11 to 30. Decided to take it up a gear. I was riding 1128 and decided to get an extra cog up on there, so I'm running a 30 now. And that's the first time I've ever ran 1130, so I'm excited to see how that works. I've been riding 1128 for years, so... But the engagement is pretty sweet. I mean, you hear how that sounds. Sounds pretty sweet. I like that it has a through axle design, which is pretty awesome. So a lot of rim brake road hubs don't have like through axles. I'm still using a skewer, but this hub is optimized for a through axle. So when that technology comes to the non-disc and rim brake style frames later down the line, when manufacturers start to design them with the ability to use through axles on non-disc frames, then this hub, you can totally just swap it out by, I think you have to purchase like a special spacer, and you just throw the through axle in there pretty much. So yeah, pretty sweet. Definitely ahead of the times, you know. They innovated the hub quite a bit. It's much beefier. It's supposed to have really nice bigger bearings in it than its predecessor, the Prime hub. And they're putting these hubs on like all the road frame, all the road wheels now. So pretty pumped. Let's do a spin test. You can see how it sounds. All right, here goes the spin test. You can definitely hear that engagement. Let's do it one more time. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, this is the Boyd Cycling 85 hub. I'm gonna be slapping on this 1130 cassette up on here, and I'll be riding this year. I'm hoping that this hub is gonna deliver. You know, it's supposed to have fast engagement, which is great, especially if you're doing like racing, like criteriums and things like that. When you're coming out of a corner, it's always good to be able to just like jump right back into gear and get that extra push on the pedals, you know. So that 6 pawl will help in terms of like faster engagement rather than like a 4 pawl hub would. So nothing against the 4 pawl hubs, and honestly I've ridden that for years. I've never had a 6 pawl hub. This is my first time, but I'm excited, and I can tell right out the gate like that this hub has way faster engagement just because you can hear that 6 pawl spinning. So really excited to put this hub into work, you know. So yeah, nothing against the rims. The rims are really good. Nothing really bad to say about them. They've been holding up. And yeah, gonna pop this up on the bike tomorrow, and I'll be back on the road soon, and I'll give you guys a further update later down the line on how things are panning out. But leave your questions and comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.